Hi everyone, today we're going to be making edible soil layers, and to do that we're going to need several ingredients. We're going to need coconut shavings dyed green with green food coloring, chocolate chips and butterscotch chips combined, several crushed up Oreos, one whole Oreo, several gummy worms, and one pudding cup. So let's get started. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take a glass or plastic cup and we're going to take our Oreo and we're going to drop it right at the bottom. You can see it there. And so that represents the bedrock. So the bedrock is the solid rock that lies under soft and loose material in the soil. It's the outermost layer of the Earth's crust and nothing can grow there. So we're just going to label that. Okay, next we're going to take the chocolate and butterscotch chips and we're going to layer them on top of the Oreo, just like this. You want to make sure they're nice and mixed up. So this represents the parent material. The parent material is formed from bedrock after a long weathering process, either by natural or chemical means. This is the spot where soil layers above will be formed. It is part weathered rock and part soil. That's why we're using different colored chocolate chips to represent that. So next we're going to take our label and we're going to add that up just so we can keep track of where everything is. This is where we are at so far. Next, we're going to add in the subsoil. And so we're going to use the chocolate pudding to represent the subsoil. So take a spoon and we're going to scoop out a nice heap of pudding and we're gonna drop it right on the top, and we want to make sure we cover all of those chocolate and butterscotch chips because they would be totally covered in the earth. And so this is what we get. And so the subsoil is not high in organic matter concentrations, but offers rich minerals for plants and trees searching for root systems. It's a hidden layer in the earth, but it's directly affected by water movement from rivers and lakes. So we're going to layer the subsoil now. Add that one there. Okay, and so this is what we have so far. And so next, we're gonna add the crushed Oreos. And so that is the topsoil. And so in the topsoil, things are able to live, like worms. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these gummy worms and we're gonna stick them in there so it looks like they're crawling around, because that's what they do in the actual planet. And so the topsoil is the top layer of soil. It provides the riches of matter and for germinating seeds, and nutrients, bacteria, fungi, and other life are abundant in the topsoil. So we're gonna add our next label. There you go. And so that is what we have so far. Okay, and so next, what's next? The organic material. And so we're gonna sprinkle the green coconut shavings, which represents grass, which is a type of organic material. So we want to make it kind of realistic, where we have the worms kind of coming out of the soil, of the grass, just like how it is normally. Worms just are all over. And so next, we are going to add the organic material layer. And so organic material is typically less than an inch thick. It consists of plant and animal residues at various stages of decomposition, which is pretty cool. So this is what we're left with. So the last step being, so you get to take your spoon off, take a spoon out, and dig in.
Feel free to stop the video while you reflect on the following questions. What are all of the important soil layers? Give examples of things you could find in each layer of soil. What parts of the soil do plants utilize?
And this is the final product with bedrock, parent material, subsoil, topsoil, and the organic material. I hope you enjoyed.